morning. Hope you guys are doing really great. Welcome to day 2 of Chikmagalur and with travel with Akshay. Akshay's vlog on second vlog. It's a bit sunny, that is the reason my eyes is a bit blurred. I'll just show you we are at the room. We are not going to start anytime now. It's 7:30 in the morning. I woke up at 6:30. After that, it was a very tiresome day and I couldn't sleep last night. And we took some enough rest. I'll just show you the outro of how the view looks away from our place. Sorry for that. How the room looks outside, the view looks outside our homestay. And also post that we'll be going to so many places and exploring, and room analysis also you'll be getting by the end of the vlog. So just look at the view and have a great time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, do click on the notification button and share this video to as many as possible, because the more amount of subscriptions I get, the more amount of energy I get to create new video. So just look at the view from here and post that. Let's travel. This is the view from our room. It just looks like a residential area, where people stay. So the view and the climate is really awesome. It's really a good place to come sit, chill in the balcony and have a great time. And really worth it. We'll be going to the city to explore more and more places. Not city, the other places. Just zoom in if you can see the nature. Okay, so that is the view from here. I'll catch you once we're done with the breakfast. This is the room tour, guys. As soon as you enter, don't look at the place because it's gonna be mashy. This is the hall they give you. I can attach the photos and the location. You have a TV and it works. I saw IPL last night, so it does work. And as soon as you enter, this is the tour. I'll have to tilt my camera. And this is one room, and they give you an extra bed if you ask for. And this is the place. I have another chair. I have left it out. When you come here, they give you another bed and also some mirror. And this is the kitchen. I'm sorry for the view mode, but only for show like this you guys will have an idea. They give you plates, they give you vessels, they give you plates to clean, and also ready-made instant coffee powder, sugar, also milk powder. You get hot water. If you bring like something called cup noodles and stuff, you can cook it by your own. There's another room there, same like what I showed you, but my friend is sleeping. And nothing serious here, just a bathroom, restroom, and you get the balcony there. So this is the entire room tour, guys, and I'll just get out on talk. And when you step out, you find this residential place, just a normal residential tourist place. Balcony view is good, okay, like not really. I can show you if there is some hill spot or something. If I can zoom in, maybe you can have a view. So yeah, I'm talking in front of my homestay. This is not called as an exact hotel, it is called as a room stay. Room stay in the sense homestay. So these are houses kind of thing where you book in advance through online, or if possible if you come and book here directly, the person will guide you and help you. And trust me, this person here is like literally too good. He helped us in everything because we were new here and we had no idea where to go shop, which is the right place to get stuff like food and other things probably. And it was like post and this person like literally helped us. And I love the hospitality here more than the rooms and things here. The hospitality was like really too good. I appreciate that. And this was the room tour, guys. Just a basic room tour what I could show, and it is affordable. If it is like really affordable. We are staying here for 2 days, like one night. We came here at 4 o'clock yesterday, and we will be leaving day after tomorrow morning. And the total budget for the entire 5 of us is just 7k, yes, excluding food, but you get everything else apart from that. You get good place to stay, you get like the climate is really too good. And that is the room tour. I'll give the room, I don't know the place name, in the description link. If you can contact the person directly and approach him, that would be even more better. If not, if you want to book through online, even though they have those facilities as well, like Make My Trip and TripAdvisor, Goibibo and stuff. So that is the thing. Now after this we'll be having breakfast and go to our next spot, like post. It is 8:30 now, and we'll be leaving here by 10:30 because we got a lot of hiking and other stuff to do for the day. So that is the video. I'll catch you after reaching the next spot, because I need to pack up some stuff and I've changed my clothes, no doubt in that. So that's the video gonna be all about. So if you want to come here, if you want to stay here for like 2 days or something with a group of people, I feel like this place is like really affordable, and hospitality is again like very much appreciated. And balcony, if possible, I'll show you the view. It is same like this. It is same like this. Nothing more serious. Yeah. So that's the thing, guys. Catch you in the next spot. Day 2 has officially started at Chikmagalur. We are gonna go to have some breakfast now, and then post that we'll be having some hiking and we'll be visiting other places. So we are gonna visit a lot of places, double that what we visited like on day 1. So it's gonna be a good time. So let's wait and watch what's gonna happen. We are at Mysore Foods. Mysore Foods is the breakfast spot for the day. I heard like this place has like very good South Indian food kind of stuff. So we just stopped for breakfast, finish up the breakfast, and we will be going to the other spot, and I'll catch you guys there. So second spot for the day after breakfast, we are at Kemanagundi Falls. Kemanagundi Falls, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. So let me just look what's the right. So we are going to go to the temple here, and also a falls. This place is heavily crowded, and one such reason why I'm wearing my mask. Over the last trip, I didn't use my mask a bit too much because it was like an empty place and no people were around, and we all know that we weren't having any symptoms of corona. But here that's not the case. It's like a hugely populated people out there, and this is a tourist spot for sure. If I can show you the place. So this is our first spot for the day. As soon as I go in, I'll be showing you the temple and also the lake. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. So we have officially started walking in. And this is the place. We wanna try something to eat. I don't suggest it is good, but if you wanna try something, this would be good. And if you're coming in car, I would suggest that you leave your footwears in your car, because there are some places kind of thing. But okay, I wouldn't encourage that because it's not safety, I don't see any people taking care of it. And here we officially enter to the Kemanagundi Falls. I mean the temple and the falls. Wow! Just look at that. I'm not going to stop recording because I want you all to travel with me. I'm sorry if it is not stable because I'm stepping down. So just look at the falls there. I'm not sure if you would be able to look at the falls, but I'm pretty sure you would be definitely having a great time if you're going to come here. So I'll just pause on the video for a second. I'll go to the falls and I'll show you there. And guys, look at that. Wow. I'm like, wow. Just going back. I'm going to have a surprise for you. I am going to have a surprise for you. Oh my god. That is the temple. Step in. This is the place you have to visit. So we are not spending much time here. I'm not even sure if I'm audible. So we are not going to spend much time here. Only one reason is that the place is overcrowded. I'll just show you my friend here. Okay. I have a very bad experience with monkeys. Okay, jokes apart. The reason it is overcrowded, and And considering the situation of COVID and Corona happening, I don't think there is any social distancing that's been followed here. But post November and December, this would be definitely worth a visit. We are going to go to another peak and a waterfall. But for now, I just sort of taking the shots and showing you guys how it goes. So as soon as I reach the next place, you will be watching me there. So we came to the next spot because the previous spot wasn't satisfying ending. We are at Shanti Falls. So we are going to go all the way there and I'll be showing you all how the falls goes. This is Shanti Falls and look what am I doing. I'm not wearing any shoes because I don't find comfortable trekking or hiking with shoes. Just pause on. The reason I paused there was I told that I'm not wearing shoes and I don't find comfortable trekking without wearing my shoes. So that was the biggest mistake I did. You will be watching that my foot got injured after coming back. While coming back down the falls, I didn't wear shoes. Two of my other friends were wearing the shoes and I didn't do that because I felt it would be uncomfortable wearing the shoes and trekking. And I injured my foot literally and it started bleeding. I'm not going to attach any photos of myself injured or something, but just watch the video and come back. So this is Shanti Falls. It is very not even 600 to 6 kilometers away from Kemmanagudi, the previous place which we went. So I hope you guys gonna have a great time watching the video, and please come on a weekday. I would suggest. Weekend people are there and it seems to be a bit crowded. So my suggestion would be come during a weekday. So I'm gonna start hiking now, and post this we'll come back, and if I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna show you the next place as well. Yes, look at that. Wow, just wow. Heaven literally. I just want to take this shot because the view is awesome, literally awesome. If you want to visit heaven, this is the place. Kemmanagudi, Shanti Falls, do visit. We'll go to the next peak. I'll catch you there. Spot didn't end up with a good thing. I'll just show you the reason. So while coming back, I wasn't wearing shoes as well. One mistake which I did, and I hit my leg into the stone which was near the pond, and I had a deep cut onto my onto my left toe, onto my left leg toe, and it started bleeding all of a sudden, and I lost a lot of blood maybe, and I didn't know how to react, and I was in a confused state of mind, and everybody started coming towards me over there, and people were kind enough to help. At this moment I would like to thank all my friends and two people, Aditya, Namita and Suma, who were very helpful to me. They were kind enough to come and help me out by giving me antiseptic, applying bandage on my foot. That really touched my heart. They could have avoided it, but that is what friendship is. That is what they did care for me. And even the people out there, they came, the other visitors whom I don't even know, they were strangers, they came and they helped me out by giving some bandages. That really touched. That is where humanity stays, I would like to say. And I became very confused and I didn't know how to react, and that will be the next part of the the clip which you will be seeing. I got into the car after the trekking and I was talking and I was like very upset. People were very upset. I wanted to change the zone of the mind of the people out there. So then after that again I started trekking. I didn't want to give it up and I literally made it, and it was like a very fun kind of thing. Even though I was injured, the next part, like we nearly walked like 3.5 kilometers and I made it. So that was the part, and thanks to my friends and people who supported me and helped me at that moment. Thank you so much, guys. That definitely means a lot. That means a lot. You guys would be knowing why I'm telling that. Cheers. So I learned a lesson that I'm not going to do trekking henceforth without wearing my shoes, because my shoes wasn't comfortable enough for trekking and hiking. So that was one such reason why I didn't wear my shoes. And while coming back, I injured my toe. I shouldn't be attaching those photos, but still, that was a very bad experience. And people literally lost the mood of fun and they got into some serious zone. And I just wanted to get out of it. I lost a lot of blood, to be honest. And that was the reason video went a bit serious at the conclusion. But adding up to this, people were very helpful out there. Some people out there, they were helping me out with bandages and antiseptics, and all my friends as well. At any day, they are always there to help me out. And now it's okay. The bleeding has stopped on my toe, and I'm wearing my shoes. And we are going to go to the next spot that is called Z Trekking Point. When we just saw the outro, you see this photo on Windows, right? Windows X, Windows 7 or Windows XP. You see the photos, right? That is the clarity that we get to see. So we are going to go on trekking. I am injured, but I just don't want to miss this place. Just pause it. So I'll just go there and I'm going to show you the complete view. Before going there, I'll just show you the view from this place, and then we're going to go trekking. It's going to be a 3-kilometer trekking, and I'm going to show you that. I've tilted my camera very up to show you, the phone camera to very up to show you guys the scenario. I'll be going right away there. We are going to have a 3 kilometers long trekking. I hope I am audible. And that is the view, guys. That is the view. We are going to go all the way 3-kilometer trekking. This place is called Z Trekking, and it is very, very, very a good place that you need to definitely visit. And the climate is like some hill station. I feel like I'm in Ooty or Kodaikanal with such a bliss, to go to these places. So I'll go there and I'll catch you up there. So you could see that nature out there. I'll just tilt the camera a bit more top, if that is visible. I'll just go a little more further. So we're going to mostly go to the top. So this is Z Trekking Point, and you are traveling with Akshay Vlogs maybe, and this is my other friend who literally her name is Suma. You would have seen her in the last vlog. And other person, Namita, who is far away from where we are. They helped me the hell out to get out this bleeding and stuff, and I'm thankful to that. I'm portraying that in the video as well. So this is how trekking, hiking and stuff happens. And if you are in and around Karnataka or somewhere near Mangalore or something, I would suggest this is literally the best spot that you'll have to visit. Just look out there. Just look at that. Isn't that good? Isn't that beautiful? And I initially told that we are going to Z Trekking Point, and the previous part was just 5% of that, thanks to Google Maps. And now we are going to continue with the rest of the thing. This is also a part of Shanti Falls. This is also a part of Shanti Falls. So I'm just going to pause the video for now, and the next shot what you will be watching is at the top of the place where we are going to go to. So I hope you are having a great time watching our video. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, click on the like button and share this video to as many as possible, because the more amount of subscriptions and views I get, the more amount of energy I get to create new video, as I say every time. So please do support, like and share this video, because I want always support at the initial stages. So let's go. So this is at Z Trekking Point. Almost Shanti Falls, if I have to be precise. So just look at that. Just look at that view. Just look at that view, how beautiful this place looks. And the climate is turning out to be sunny from a chill climate it was earlier when we started. And we are doing good. And we are clicking pictures, making some memories, working, vlogging, and having a great time. This is called workation. Work and enjoying the vacation. So maybe if I can go to the higher heights, I'm going to show you the place. But I'll just zoom in, okay, to show you how good that place looks. Can you look at that? That is called Bhadravati Dam. If you could look at the water bodies out there. Okay, so my friends are already far away from me. so I'll have to catch up them. So see you there at the spot. So just look at the view, and now you would be wondering why I say this is heaven, and that is the peak, and we're going to go there. Just look at this, bro. What do you want to say?
Hey!
Okay, he's acting creepy.
What's your name?
So that's it, guys. We are done with this spot. Trekking Z, a Z trekking point, which is also Shanti Falls. We're gonna go to another special lake, and that will be the conclusion of day 2. And leg is okay. I did injure my leg, and yeah, I forgot to tell you this. You could be seeing the bikes here. If you're coming in, if you want to do a motor vlog or coming in your bike, you can like save 1.5 kilometers of distance, because the total trekking is around 2.5 if I'm not wrong. And if you come in bike, you can park a vehicle till here and you can start trekking. And trust me, this is a place that you need to visit at least once, and I can bet you that you're not going to regret after coming to this place. Injuring my leg, having a foot injury, and I'm just having a great time, because that is the passion and dedication we have towards nature and exploring stuff. So that's it. We are walking, my friends are there, and since about a bit of injury, I'll have to go slow. So we are going to go to the lake, and I'll keep you guys spotted there. We are at the final spot for the day. It is called Kemmanagudi Lake. I'm not taking the selfie mode because my face is not going to be visible. I'll just try focusing.
So we managed to get here